Hi guys, I hope that all are fine. In this video, we are going to see and learn Python conditional statements. Okay, I hopefully that you can see my screen and I have created a file with the name of conditional statements.py. You can see the left corner, left side. Okay, and to tell about the if condition in Python, the if statement is used to execute a block of code only when if condition is true. Okay, and this is the basics syntax for the if condition. You can see if and condition. We can do write some we can write some condition here, and we can write our block of code here. Okay, we can write some code that we want. Okay, well, only when the condition has true, then only this block of code will be executed. Okay, and now you can see some small basics code for if statement. Okay, I have created a variable with the name with the name of x, and I have stored an integer value which is 10. Okay, now I'm going to check my condition. If I have used the if statement, and as you know, we have to write our condition here. Okay, and I have written the condition like x greater than 5. If the x is greater than 5, then only this block of code will be executed. Okay, now you know the value of x is 10, which is integer value, and now you can see this condition is true. Then, as you expect, the print block of code will be executed. Okay, now I'm going to run this program. Yes, you can see the output has printed, which means the block of code has executed because of the condition was true. Okay, well, I'm going to comment that one and away. Then to tell about else condition. Okay, whenever the if condition would be false, then the else condition will be executed. Okay, this is the basics syntax for else condition. Okay, you would not see any conditions like without support if or elif. You will not see any else condition. Okay, this is the if and else, which is else condition. If this condition is blocked or false, like condition blocked to execute when the condition is true, like if the condition if condition is was false, then the definitely without checking any condition, this else would be called, and this block of code will be executed. Okay, and this is we will see a small sample example code. Okay, I have created and again variable with the name of num, and I have stored the value which is integer 10. Okay, and if the condition like I have written a code like a condition like if num greater than 0, then print the number is positive. Okay, else the I am going to print the number is non-positive or negative. Okay, then if I run the code, you know the condition if condition now is true, then you can expect this code block of code will be executed. Okay, I'm going to run this code. Yeah, you can see the output here. Yeah, the number is positive. Then okay, just imagine if I have given a negative value, then what do you think if I run this code? Yeah, definitely as you think, the else code will be executed, like a else block of code will be executed. The reason is now you can see the condition is false because of the num, which is the num variable has the data which is -10 as an integer, and -10 is is less than 0, but the condition is here false, so that definitely the else condition would be called, and the this block of code will be executed. Okay, now I'm going to run this program. Yeah, the number is non-positive. Okay, I hope that you can understand this small line of codes. Okay, and I'm going to command that one, and we'll see the else condition. Okay, yeah, this is the sorry elif condition. I hope that you could understand the if and else condition. If you could understand the if and else condition, then definitely you will be able to understand the elif condition also. We can create a n number of elif condition inside the if and else condition. Okay, but the elif condition only will be come after the if condition. Okay, and this you can see this is the like a syntax for if and like a elif condition. Okay, mainly elif condition. The main advantage for by using this elif condition is we can create a number of elif condition. We can write our condition like in this place. Okay, for example, if we have created like a if condition, if some condition was false, then this block of code would not be executed, and if this condition would be called. Okay, and after that, this if this elif condition was false, then definitely this another elif condition would be called. Okay, then only if this elif condition like condition 3 would be false, then only this else condition would be called. Okay, and you can see the small example. Yeah, this is a sample code for the elif condition. Okay, elif statement. Yeah, and again, and I have created num variable with the name of like with the data of integer, which is value is 10, and if num is greater than 0, print the number is positive, and if this condition was false, then only this program will come to look at this elif condition. Okay, and if the condition was false, for example, okay, then elif condition would be called, and if the num like a num is equal to 0, then only this block of code would be called. If this both condition if condition and the elif condition were false, then definitely this else condition would be called. Okay, if I run this program, what do you think, what kind of output would become? This is okay, because of the num 10, it is definitely greater than the 0. Okay, you check. Yeah, the number is positive. As you know, the if condition has like a would be printed, and I'm going to change the value of num. I'm going to enter 0, and if I run this program, you can see the output, which is the else block of code would be executed. Because of the reason is here, now you can see the num, this condition would be false, and definitely this condition as true. Okay, because of num equal to, in this num variable, there would be the 0 data, and 0 and double equal to 0 is the condition is true, then the number is 0, the output will be printed. Okay, I'm going to run this program. Yeah, great. As you expected, the output has come as the number is 0. The elif code would be has printed. Okay, and I'm going to change the data like with the name of variable, like I'm going to store like minus 13. Okay, now you could imagine if condition is, if the like a num variable has the value minus 13, 13 is less than 0. Okay, then definitely this condition would be false, and num minus 30 is not equal to 0, then definitely the elif condition would be also false, and in this time the else condition would be print the number is negative. Okay, fantastic. I'm going to run this program. Yeah, the number is negative. Okay, I hopefully that you could able to understand the if, else and else condition in this video. We'll see another video. Good luck. Okay.